you could build a decent career. Today, that same strategy is becoming dangerous. Not because people became less talented, not because companies became evil, because something changed. AI is not lowering the bar. AI is raising it, and most professionals haven't noticed yet. Maybe you felt this. You apply for a role. The job description says entry level. Then it asks for problem solving, communication, stakeholder management, AI familiarity, business understanding. You think, is this an entry-level role or a CEO role? Managers feel it. Founders feel it. Freshers feel it. Something feels different.
By the end of this video, you'll understand why work feels harder today than 5 years ago, why AI is not the biggest threat to your career, the 4 capabilities that will keep you valuable in the next decade. Point 1. The Great Compression. Earlier, one employee collected data, another made reports, another summarized findings, another prepared presentations. Today, one person with AI can do all 4. The work didn't disappear. The layers disappeared. Companies still need outcomes. They just need fewer people to create them. This means average contribution becomes visible very quickly. The market is asking, what extra value do you create after AI has done the basic work? What part of your current job would still exist if AI handled the routine tasks tomorrow?
Point 2. The experience paradox. Freshers complain, every company wants experience. But companies are not always asking for years. They are asking for judgment. A manager once told me, I can teach software, I can teach process, I cannot teach ownership. That's the real problem. Companies need people who can think, not just people who can execute instructions, because instructions are becoming cheaper. Thinking is becoming more valuable. Do people trust you to solve problems or only complete tasks? Point 3. The 4 capabilities AI cannot give you. Capability 1. Judgment. AI gives options. Humans make decisions. When information is incomplete, when stakes are high, judgment matters. When was the last time you made a difficult decision without waiting for instructions? Capability 2. Ownership. Most employees complete tasks. Few own outcomes. Ownership means I'll make sure this gets done, not I did my part. Organizations promote ownership, not activity. Are you responsible for work or responsible for results? Capability 3. Communication. Every company has smart people. The winners are the people who can align others. Ideas don't create impact. Communication creates impact. Can you explain a complex idea so clearly that anyone understands it? Capability 4. Learning speed. The future belongs to the fastest learner, not the smartest person, not the most experienced person, the fastest learner. Technology changes, markets change, roles change. Your ability to adapt becomes your competitive advantage. How much time did you spend learning last week? Not scrolling, learning.
Most people still operate using the old equation. Old world, work hard, wait, promotion. The new equation looks different. Learning speed, judgment, ownership, AI leverage, career growth. This is what employers are silently rewarding. Not busyness, capability. Tonight, take a sheet of paper. Draw 2 columns. Column 1, tasks AI can probably do within 2 years. Column 2, capabilities AI cannot easily replace. Be brutally honest. Then ask yourself, which side am I investing more time in today? That answer will tell you a lot about your future. Here's the reality. AI is not creating a new game. It is exposing who was creating real value all along. If AI removed half your daily work tomorrow, what would still make you valuable?